What is up, Yogi clan? Back for another video. What do we want to talk about today? You know, I don't even know where to be. YouTube haters, keyboard warriors. What is this world coming to? Social media there are a lot of angry, disgruntled people in this world. Have you noticed that? Is it just me? Well, that's kind of what I'm feeling. There's just so many people who want to tell you you're wrong. My daughter's graduating college and I'm so excited for her. She just got engaged. You know, her life is getting ready to start. And as I think about that, you know, I'm really kind of worried for her. And the reason why I say that is because, you know, the world today is not the world that it was when I was her age. Nowhere even close. Now, there have been a lot of really great things that have been invented or become normal, become mainstream to give her a lot of advantages that, you know, I didn't have at her age at 22 years old. But there's also just so much negativity, so much feels like more hate, and people are so much more selfish and out for themselves. And, you know, we need to bring back the hippies. Not necessarily all this free love and all that stuff, but the love your neighbor mentality of the hippies, you know? Because there's just so many people filled with hate. So I was filling up with gas. I saw this video or this comment on it was my sticking throttle body video. And some dude, which is a highly watched video of mine, it's gotten a lot of views. It was one of my early videos, like probably maybe the second video I ever recorded on this YouTube channel. And I've gotten a lot of good comments on that video. Hey man, thanks, this really helped me out, yada yada yada. Well, this guy just posted something to the effect of how accusing me of editing out some important things, basically called me like, I don't know, I forget how he phrased it, because I kind of mentally block out some of those comments. But he basically just said cut rate mechanic. I'm like, oh, whoa, dude. Keyboard warrior, where's your video on that? Oh, wait, you don't have one, do you? So many people want to talk smack and be a keyboard warrior, but I just say, you know, if you're going to talk smack, where's your video showing how to do it the right way? Right? Where's your video? Oh, you don't have one? Oh, you don't make videos? Oh, okay. I see how it is. When you start putting yourself out there to make the mistakes, you know, to accidentally call a brake caliper a brake rotor because, you know, you're talking to a camera and, hey, this is all new. And, you know, now I'm much more comfortable in front of a GoPro than I used to be. I will say that. There was a time where I was really nervous making videos. At some points in time I still am, but I feel a whole lot more comfortable today. But yeah, sometimes I stumble over my words. And you know, I used to correct them. I used to go in there and type the right word on there when I misspoke it. If I called a brake rotor a caliper, or a caliper a rotor, and interchange those two things, I would put, oops, sorry, and then put the word down at the bottom. Say, hey, I caught that mistake. Sorry, I called it the wrong thing. But you know what? Maybe I've gotten lazy. I don't do that anymore. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean, because I called it the wrong thing. Oops, sorry. We all make mistakes. We're all people. And so many people forget that, you know? They'd be so quick to judge, so quick to blast a comment. But man, don't catch them doing something wrong, because, you know, they'll say it was somebody else's fault. It wasn't my fault. It kind of makes me wonder, has social media really been, you know, is it really a good thing? There's so many good aspects to it, but it's also polarizing too. And the thing I've noticed also is, you know, kind of like YouTube, right? You watch videos on, say, ghost hunting, motorcycle stuff, I don't know, fishing, whatever. Well, that is what YouTube is going to recommend to you, is based upon what you've clicked on and what you've watched. So it's going to save a database of, hey, he likes or she likes watching these kinds of videos, so I'm going to recommend more videos, which is good for me because, you know, my videos get recommended to people who like motorcycles. Gives me a higher percentage chance for subscribers. Thank you, YouTube. But, you know, I think Facebook and Instagram do much the same thing, especially when it comes to political agenda type things. They will recommend stories, they will recommend things that align with what your interests are. And people are soaking that in and absorbing that. They don't give you the other side of the story because, you know, that's maybe not what you're interested in. But I think that's what they should do. They should give you both sides of the story, or all different points and angles relating to that subject. And I don't think they do that. I think they totally swamp your media with things they know that you'll agree with. And it has created, in my opinion, such bias and such polarization of Americans that people are just becoming so hateful towards each other, towards their families. It is just polarizing America. And I'm worried about it, you know? I'm worried about my daughter who's graduating, getting ready to start her life at a young 22 years old, getting ready, you know, she's all her life she's known social media. You know, all her life, ever since she was a wee little one, social media has been present. She doesn't know a world without social media. And the pressure that it creates on some of these kids, man, I'm just glad I didn't have it when I was a kid. And the keyboard warriors and the people filled with hate, it's like, is that all you do, is go watch videos and then give hate to the creators who are trying their best to put good content out there that's interesting and that's relevant? And instead of saying, hey man, good job, but did you ever think of this, or did you ever think of that, or, you know, instead of coming with something constructive criticism, they just come with criticism, negative criticism. And for YouTube creators, sometimes that can be frustrating. It really can. Those comments of haters don't make me mad anymore. They kind of make me sad. Sad that they have nothing better to do with their time than to pick apart one of my videos. It's a comment. A comment's a comment, right? If you want to see some really funny comments, go read through the comments on my Get Back video. Go read some of the comments on my Get Back With video. All kinds of stuff in there. I've been called gay. I've been called a rub, a loser, a poser, a wannabe. I mean, I've been called just about every name in the book. And YouTube blocked half of the comments because I guess they flagged them as cyberbullying. But half of the comments that were actually made aren't even on that thread. And it wasn't because I deleted them. It was because YouTube deleted them, not me. I really don't delete many comments because I want people to have their opinions. Now, if it's a nasty opinion, I'll delete it. But hey, you're entitled to your opinion. If you don't like my content, fine. I'm okay with that. So I'm not going to delete your comment if you leave a nasty comment calling me a rub, a loser, a poser. Whatever you want to call me, have at it. I have thick skin. Yeah, sometimes it may, you know, get me down for maybe about 20 seconds, and then after it, I'm over it. It doesn't make me mad anymore. It makes me sad for the author of the comment. That they have nothing better to do with their time than... I don't think I have ever, as much as I may have watched a video that I disagreed or hated or, you know, felt negative on, I have never left. Did you ever hear the comment? Did your mama ever tell you, if you don't have anything good to say, don't say anything at all? Why aren't we teaching our kids that anymore? Why are there so many adults that don't know that? you don't have anything good to say, shut the heck up. Don't say anything at all. So there you go, Yogi Clan. There's my thoughts for this morning on my ride to work. I hope you all have an awesome day. I encourage you to love on your neighbor today. I encourage you also to leave a positive comment on somebody's YouTube video. It doesn't have to be this one, although I'll gladly accept it. Leave some positive comments on somebody's video. You know, boost that YouTube creator up, because that gives them encouragement to keep going, to keep doing what they do, to keep trying to bring a ray of sunshine to somebody's life someday. So thank you, Yogi Clan, for joining me on this rant, and I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, you guys. Love y'all. Peace. Well, I don't love the haters, but I love you.